So we're still in that Yeezy Day period. So what have I gone and done? Let's go into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Amar, and on this channel we review a variety of sneakers, and on this occasion we'll be looking over a Yeezy slide that has managed to cop over this Yeezy Day period. If you are aware, we are sort of in this Yeezy Day time where I think Kanye had a lot of stock or something, and they're sort of pumping out old stock. But when it comes to slides or like that, you know, I am for the slide. So I've gone out and got myself another colorway. So what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and look at materials, and we'll just look at sizing, and I'll go briefly into availability. But without going on any further, I'll just start off with a short introduction. So if you are new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay up to date with any of my content. Okay, let's just start off this video by looking at the box itself. So that you're ordinary with this box, it is your standard Yeezy slide box. I have done 5 or 6 of these reviews on my channel. It's pretty crazy. I know I had problems with sizing. I've kind of figured out where I am with my Yeezy slides. So it is nothing out of the ordinary. You do have some Yeezy branding on your slider box. You also have a Adidas logo on the back of the box there. So I will just go ahead and read off the box label for you guys. If you are legit checking, this may help you. I will point out one thing. The actual colorway, it's not an actual name, so what they've done is they've shortened the actual text. So I will show you that. Just look at the box label itself. It is a Yeezy slide, and it's a US 7 and it's a UK 7, which is my true to size when it comes to your slides. And its product code is ID 2349, and the colorway is Slate Marine, Slate Marine, Slate Marine. And like I said, it has all been shortened down, so they've not put it all in. They have just sort of put it in shorter text. That is something to look out for if you are looking to get a pair. So it is in that text. If you are getting that, please do pause the video if you need to. And it's the same again, it is your pull sleeve drawer, something like that. Right, so let's just go ahead and take a closer look at these slides. QC sticker also, just thought I'd point that out for you guys. Now these did come from the confirmed app, just like for you guys at the end of the day. There are your tags. No, I'm kidding. That's your size tag. So if you're looking right there, I did go for a size 7 like I said. So here is your first look on this channel, the Adidas Yeezy slides in the Slate Marine colorway. Right, so I do believe I will keep you pretty brief in this video. So we'll just quickly look at the actual materials. Of course, it is that standard injected EVO foam that they've gone with. Otherwise, the comfort level on these is an absolute win in my opinion. And to be honest, man, I think the only reason why I've been getting these slides is because of the colorway. It's just become one of those things where, you know, you've got one and then you just want to get the others. Now I know I said it's sort of Yeezy Day and they are sort of pumping out old stock. That is one thing that they are doing. I mean, if you look at the date on this, it was all that stuff when you know, Kanye and Adidas were having problems and that, and stuff was getting, you know, there's just basic stuff going on. You know, if you was following it, you probably know. I've not been following it too much, but I know he was having issues with stock and that because he was in and he was out, whatever was going on between Adidas and Kanye at the time. But the production date on this is the 10th 22. Now looking at the label, and it's saying it was sort of made around October 22. Otherwise there was issues that was going on. He probably had a lot of other things. That's probably one of them, and they're just sort of bringing them out now. But other than that, it is a beautiful colorway in my opinion. I'm feeling this more than the Onyx colorway. I know Onyx, the Onyx way is obviously the Onyx colorway. I'm referring to the all black. In my opinion, this is a toned down sort of colorway to that. You've got this kind of bluey grey kind of tint, in my opinion. Looks really nice, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Marine, I think, is that color where it's blue, I think, with the marine. I'm not sure. I think the marine relates to a blue, and obviously the slate is obviously like a more of a gray, sort of like concrete kind of color. So mixing them up, you get slate marine, I'm assuming. So yeah, other than that, this colorway is beautiful. I'm really feeling this. I'm really liking this more than the Onyx Slide. Down to personal preference, you don't get bored with these at the end of the day. You can choose what you want. But they do look weird to some people. They might not like them at the end of the day. But for me, and I think for a lot of other people, it's more to do with comfort. Now these win when it comes to comfort, in my opinion. Now I'm not too sure about durability because I haven't worn mine in very well. They're very, in my opinion, they're nice. They're really nice. I wear them inside, if anything, mainly. They're really nice in my opinion. I don't really wear these out. I've got loads of wood slides. I've got slides from like 8 years ago and they're perfect. I wish I had them now so I could show him. It's a really nice color. It's mainly the colorway, if anything. That's what this review's about, and that's sort of how they're messing up when it comes to the sizing. But we're gonna get into a little bit of that. It's normal. It's really squidgy. It's really nice. It's really firm. It's durable. It's quite flexible as well. It's really nice in my opinion. It's mainly the colorway. I really like this color. I'm really feeling this colorway. But yeah, that's your slide. Adidas branding at in your footbed, in the footbed of your heel, in the footbed of the heel. Size label on this occasion is in the footbed. I've had them at times when it's sort of along, sort of on the side here, so it does vary. Just moving along and we're looking at your outsole is this nice sort of rigid. How they've done it, it kind of makes sense. So when you're sort of like treading forward, you're going with it that way. So if you fall back, these will sort of like, it's like they'll lock you where you won't fall and things. So I do believe traction is pretty neat with these, with how they look. It's a pretty neat concept in my opinion, if that is how they are. Now we're gonna have to go into a bit of sizing details. I did get these in a 7. I've learned after buying 3 or 4 pairs that this is my size when it comes to the Yeezy slides. I've gone for a 7, and I've also had 3 other pairs. I've had an Onyx, I've had the rosin colorway, and I've had the flex colorway. Oh yeah, sorry, and then also there was the bone colorway. Now all these 4 colorways in a size UK 7 have been perfect, and I did explain I didn't have much space in the back of my heel. Now with this is I don't know what's going on. I'm pretty glad, I'm moaning about it. This is like a UK 7.5 to me, in my opinion. Honestly, that's how it fits. It is different to them 4 other pairs which fit a lot tighter, even though they're the same size. Do consider that. But in my opinion, this is perfect. It is bang on perfect. I was really surprised. I was boasting on about there being half sizes, and I do believe this, in my opinion, a size 7, which is normally my slipper size, fits me perfect. Now there is another YouTuber, I can't think in the back of my head. I don't want to pull up any of his content in my video for any violation reasons. Elliot Page, I think his name is. He did a video where he laid out a good amount of pairs. There was all the same sizes, and he did 2 parts where there were like 4 same sizes and there were like 4 a size up, and he literally went through all of them, and it was a right wobble, because some of them fitted him okay and some of them weren't all right, and then some of the bigger ones fitted him perfect. It was just the right one. Do please check him out. His name's Elliot Page. He's quite well known. He's really like passionate about his sneakers and that. So do please make sure to check his maybe channel out if you want to check out his slides. He goes in a lot detailed. Right guys, so briefly about availability. Now since this Yeezy Day period, I have sort of learnt that they have dropped on other platforms. I do believe 1 or 2 retailers also got them. So I do believe Foot Locker had them at some point. I do believe also Foot Patrol had them, and it obviously went on the Adidas app, which is still ongoing. I don't know how long this lasts, to be honest. Yeezy Day, Yeezy Week, Yeezy Month, I ain't got a clue, to be honest. I've not been following it. So do make sure to please check in on your local retailers. You never know, they might have them. I do believe JD even had them as well. There was there was flogging them all out. There's something going on. I've seen bits of I have seen bits, but there is some sort of like something's going on. Right guys, I do believe I've covered everything I said I would cover in this video. My 11-year-old lad, bless him, has agreed to give us an on foot, so I will do that for you guys at the end of this video. So if you've stuck around up to this time, I do appreciate it. And if you've not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, and please make sure to smash that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my content. With all that out of the way, I'll leave you guys with a on foot, and I hope to catch you in the next one.